So we have this removable hook adhesive. I don't know whether we can get a good shot of the hook. It's a really, really thin hook tape. It's the same as the extra thin range. The tape itself is the same, but as we've said in the previous video on the removable, it's the adhesive that is different. So this, whatever you stick to, will just sort of peel away without leaving any residue. And with that, by a bit of an accident, we found that if you use this on a wall or whatever surface, and for the sake of this video we'll just use a whiteboard, so we found that this hook tape actually works really well if you use it, say, on a wall, double row, and then your foam soundproof panels, and it actually holds your panels without you having to put anything on the back. So you can roll all your panels up using the removable hook tape. You can take your panels off if you need to clean them, if they get built up with dust, whatever. You can take them off and you can just pop them back on. Perfect. So you don't need any spray glue, any other kind of fixing. Literally a roll of the removable hook tape, and you can put all your panels up, and that way, if you ever want to take them down, your removable hook tape will literally peel away, leaving absolutely nothing behind. It's perfect.